Hey pizza lovers, today we're ditching delivery and cranking up the heat with the top 5 indoor pizza ovens for 2024. We've got expert reviews and first-hand experience to help you find the perfect oven for restaurant-quality pizzas in your own kitchen. Number 1. Breville Smart Oven Pizzaiolo Pizza Oven. This high-tech beauty from Breville is a favorite among reviewers. It boasts a unique element configuration that heats from above and below, mimicking a real pizza oven. Plus, its smart settings take the guesswork out of cooking, offering pre-programmed options for different crust styles. Experience. In our tests, the Pizzaiolo delivered consistently crispy crusts and perfectly melted cheese. The presets were a lifesaver, especially for beginners. However, the price tag is a bit steeper compared to other options. Number 2. Presto Pizzazz Plus Rotating Oven. Looking for a budget-friendly option? The Presto Pizzazz Plus is your champion. This countertop oven features a rotating stone that ensures even cooking, and its compact size makes it perfect for smaller kitchens. Experience. We were surprised by the quality of pizzas this little oven produced. The rotating stone produced a nice even crust, but keep in mind the size limitations. You won't be making family-sized pizzas here. Number 3. Cuisinart Indoor Pizza Oven. Cuisinart offers a versatile option with their indoor pizza oven. This oven features a high heat setting that gets up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit, 315 degrees Celsius, perfect for achieving that blistered, restaurant-style crust. It also doubles as a broiler and can handle other baking tasks. Experience. The Cuisinart oven was delivered on its high heat promise. Our pizzas cooked quickly, but achieving the perfect crust did require some experimentation with temperature settings. Number 4. Ooni Volt 12 Electric Pizza Oven. Ooni, a leader in outdoor pizza ovens, brings the heat indoors with the Volt 12. This unique oven uses electric heating elements to reach scorching temperatures, mimicking the wood-fired experience. It's also the only oven on our list specifically designed for both indoor and outdoor use. Experience. The Ooni Volt was a powerhouse. It cooked pizzas incredibly fast, delivering that sought-after char on the crust. However, its size and price might be a turn-off for some. Number 5. Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven. Rounding out our list is the Chefman Indoor Pizza Oven. This budget-friendly option is another great choice for smaller kitchens. It features a stone base for even heat distribution and a compact design. Experience. The Chefman oven offered decent performance for the price. The pizzas cooked well, but achieving a crispy crust required preheating the stone for a longer time.